Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute Christmas gift tag. I created mine using some piece of paper and some glitter paper. We will use a piece of green paper, brown, and then some glitter. I have the silver and golden paper, but if you prefer you can change the color of the hearts and make them in many different color. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute gift tag for your present. You will need to use the template that I will provide. The link to the template will be in the description of this video. When you have your template, you need to cut your triangle with a pair of scissors and then put your triangle on a piece of paper, like in this way, and with a pair of scissors you will need to cut your Christmas tree. Better to use a strong piece of paper. Okay, last cut. Voila, here our Christmas tree. Now we will need to glue our paper heart like in this gift tag. We will start with the golden one. You will need a heart paper punch. Okay, and now with some glue you will start to glue your heart. Okay, sorry. You can use also vinyl glue, this kind of glue, but I prefer to use this one. It's quite fast. Okay, okay, okay. Now the last part. Okay, last paper heart. Okay, now we will need to add this part. I created mine in this way. I cut mine. It's a great, this project, it's a great way of recycle or upcycle your piece of paper. Now with a pair of scissors you will need to cut this part and this part. Voila. Okay, I saw that my heart. Okay, now it was misplaced. Now it's okay. Okay, now we will need to create this brown part, and then you will need to create a sort of a square piece of paper, and with some glue can glue your base in this way. Okay, and if you want, you can add the name of the recipient here. In this case, it will be for my mom. Okay. Okay. Now we will need to glue the name to our gift tag in this way, or if you prefer in another place, but for me they are quite nice in this way. They are so cute and quite nice and bright. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with another paper creations. Bye bye.